And welcome back to another video, guys. In this video, we're working on this 1.4 diesel Skoda Fabia. We have the P040500 EGR sensor, A circuit low. Diesel, as we already know, if you're getting the engine management light on, the car's in limp mode, you're losing power. It may be intermittent, it's not all the time, by the way, guys. I'll show you where this is. So this code is to do with the exhaust gas recirculation, which is this here on the 1.4 diesel. They are known for it to go. There's a few around it. I'll explain exactly. Firstly, do a good run motorway. Do it in gear 4, you know, around 2.5, 3,000 RPM for about 20 minutes. Keep an eye on the engine temperature, make sure you don't overheat it. Hoping this will eliminate it sometimes. It does, it doesn't, because it's sensor. I know it says circuit A circuit low is voltage, which it is in this case. It's packed in, I get it. Whereas in your case, you'll just probably need a nice thorough drive sometimes, just clean it up, give it a blast. If that helps, good. If not, I know a lot of people say, well, I'm going to have an EGR delete. You're more than welcome. Nothing stops you from doing it, I guess. It's around about 100, 150, 200 pounds if the greedy little gets. But that's the sort of figure for an EGR delete. And again, that'll eliminate the fault code and get cracking. But I don't know, it's up to you. You guys can do it. It's down to your power, I guess. The other alternative is that fault code is this here. You can change the component if you're handy. You can do things yourself. There are a few things linked to it. I guess the bolts here, bolts in here. There's a few components. It's not, I like it. It's at the very top. It's not like a Mercedes Sprinter 2.1 diesels, which I've worked on many times, a Ball Lake, or some other manufacturers, such as, again, Vacar's, the 2-litre diesel. It's at the back of the engine. This one is pretty straightforward, guys. It's this one here, which we recommend. You can change it. Not the hard, but they're not cheap, I'll be honest. They are not cheap. Some people, I'll be honest, just remap it, move on. Whereas in this case, everything's good, sound, engine light should go off. I hope this video does help you guys. For me, it's more, that's the fault code. That's where the location is. I'm not going to do any DIY. I'm not going to change anything, but I just want you guys to know where this is, what it is. And if we can get a part number here for you guys to make life easy for you. There you are.